How to fix your mom game is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library and then open up the properties window and go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to finish repairing your files. And once it's done, you want to go back to the general tab, and in the launch options box you want to add -dx11 command. Then you can close this and close Steam. Next, you want to go to the redistributables website by searching for redist and clicking on the first link, and from here you want to download the 86 version and the 64 and install both of these, and it will ask you to restart your computer when you finish the installation. And after the restart, also make sure that you have the latest graphics card updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need to download and install the NVIDIA app. You can search for it on your browser and download it and install it. And from the drivers tab here, you want to select Game Ready Driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available updates. And then before opening the game or opening Steam, you want to launch Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then you can launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.